Gunners, subscribers, YouTubers, welcome back. Another vlog. Today we're not going to be working on anything. We have a great, huge announcement. I'm going to Tri-State Motorsports. I'm going to lock in my sponsorship for 2020. And at the same time, they are going to do like an open warehouse. We spoke about it before on other vlogs, but now we're thoroughly explaining it. So they're thinking about the days of February. It's going to be a 3-day thing. 7th, 8th, and 9th. It's a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Basically, what it means is this. Tri-State is moving to a bigger facility. They don't want to haul all these parts. So what they're thinking about, this is going to be such a fun vlog. What they're thinking about doing is letting people come to the shop those 3 days, 10 at a time inside the warehouse, and you basically pick what you want. They're going to give you retail, and then they're going to tell you the prices that they're going to come up with. So let's say you get 3 things and the total is $1,200. You can probably negotiate it down to $900, $1,000, walk away with it cash. So I think this is great because you guys have the cash. You guys have the money. You control the negotiations. So it looks like it's going to be a great thing. They liquidate some of their parts. You guys save a ton of money. And yeah, we were thinking about bringing Lefty there because by the time that this sale happens, I should be done with Lefty. So, I don't know, maybe you can come see the car. Is it a marketing tactic? Absolutely. Come see the car, come vibe with me for 3 days, buy cool parts, they make money, I become happy, you become happy. Everybody wins. Why sugarcoat and lie and come see the all-wheel drive, right-hand drive, lefty car giveaway? No. Everyone wins. Honesty is the best policy. So I'm waiting for Vicky right now. He is on the way here, and then I think he's gonna swap out a throttle body. I don't know. I forget what he's gonna do, but he's gonna pick up some parts. So let's have fun. Let's enjoy this vlog, and hopefully you learn something from it. And hopefully you enter this opportunity to save money. You guys ready to gun? I am. You ready? Boys, we're in the Taurus today. Ready?
Fucking cold, man.
It's blood. We almost at Tri-State, and me and Vicky was talking about the Gunners. They said whenever they see a girl,
Horny niggas, man.
yo, whenever they see a girl like on our lives or like a comment or something, what happens, Vic?
Oh, they be in there. Yo, who that? Yo,
who that?
Yo, shorty.
Yo.
Yeah.
Yeah, some of you Gunners, man.
Ice on that.
Y'all need some ice on them things, man.
Damn.
Yeah, I gotta sit on the ice, man. Put it like right, you know where to put it, man, because Gunners be horny.
Yeah, man, over anything. So who that, man? What she like it? Hold on.
Yo, that's so hard. Okay, guys, we're in Tri-State. You can see everything is here. Everything is in stock on display. Vicky just picked up some cables. So this is the deal that we've came up with. We're structuring a good way to help everyone out. This is their warehouse, basically. You're going to come in through this door, and we're going to allow 5 people in at a time. So we'll form a line here. Maybe we can have Lefty right here. You come in through that door. You walk into here. There will be someone in here to let 5 people in at a time. There'll be shopping carts. There'll be baskets, etc., etc. Guys, there's going to be deals on all of this. You are going to negotiate the price. They're going to tell you what it sells for. They're going to tell you what they'll do for you. And then you can negotiate the price further. Really important, though, is what would you like to see in here as far as stock? Do you want them to order any more parts? Write down in the comments so we can kind of get the senses on what exactly you'll be interested in if you come and join this sale. So there's everything here from clutches, steering wheels, bolts, fittings, turbos. I mean, you name it, they have it. So Danny will be here. He's one of the head sales guy here. Shishka will be here, and yeah, that's basically it. So what would you like to see in here, Danny? How are these deals gonna work?
Pretty much anything that's in the store is pretty much either going to be either half off or at cost, because a lot of stuff's been sitting. We have so much stuff that we have to move, so the less stuff that we have to move to the new location, the better, to be honest.
Okay, so some people can get almost 50% off.
Yeah, 100%.
And I spoke to your brother, and he said he doesn't even mind
Even
making.
if we're making 5 points.
Yeah, he doesn't even mind if there's only 5% made on it. He wants to get it liquidated. He wants people to win. He wants people to be happy and to continue to purchase stuff from here. So Shishka will be here. The whole crew will be here. Everyone will be able to assist you. I'll be in the back also helping with anyone that comes in. If you're confused about a setup, if you don't know what flywheel to get, if you don't know what pistons to get, what rods, what bearings, what fittings, how to do your fuel system, what parts you need, I'll be back here helping you for 3 days. I hope that this is an opportunity that you take. Guys, we got a lot of snow that just hit down. We got some traveling back home to do, and that's basically it. So this is an opportunity for you guys to finally win. You have the money, you negotiate the price. It's like when you go to a jeweler and you see a nice bracelet and the tag says $12,000 and you talk them down to $9,000 because you have the capital, you have the cash. This movement is going to get bigger, and the only way it's going to get bigger is by help from companies like this. All our sponsors that help us. Like, comment, subscribe. You are entering history. Keep gunning.